Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Autobots channel Kolkata. Today I am going to show you an excellent gadget that I am very excited to show you, and this is one gadget I've been trying to get for a long time, but finally I could get it. That's the new iPhone 14. So this is the normal iPhone, not the plus one or the pro version. It comes with 128 GB of internal memory. The box is quite sleek. I don't know what is there inside it. We'll going to do a quick unboxing and I'm going to show you what it all comes about. This is also my first iPhone, so my perspective will be from an Android user, which will be very neutral. I'll not be able to compare it with the earlier iPhones that it came in, that's the 13, 12, 11 and so on. So this is one gadget that I've been trying to get for a long time. Finally I am able to get it and I'm extremely excited to open the box. We'll also do a quick unboxing and I'm going to show you what's all is inside the box. So let's do the quick unboxing.
Yeah. I come and never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, 숙여 너의 고개를 what you looking at fool 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고 find your comfort from another yeah. I go low like undercover yeah. Wanna know my name 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 기름 guess you can even guess me cause I'm baby high low로 확실해 not like maybe Level level welcome to my palace 찾지 않아 Alice you just keep on wonder You just keep on wonder 찾지 않아 Alice 버려 너의 memory I just pop a bin Danny have been 나는 걸어 Boeing 747 I get weak get ready Like I wanna get late 준비해 빨리 we ain't got a lot of time man wavy night Jameson hit the rock bottom 잃어버린 정신머리들 yeah got 'em yeah shot 'em 모든 problems 언제까지 기다려야 할래 now gone yeah
So ये है इसका बॉक्स पैक. We have ordered it from Amazon. This is the seal box. अभी इसको काटते हैं and let's unbox our iPhone. So ये है हमारा iPhone 14. This is how it looks from sideways. iPhone branding is written. Apple का logo on the bottom, also on the top. ये some pricing and other details are written here along with the logo. इसमें क्या क्या आते हैं? It is there, whatever it includes, and pricing is there. इस साइड में भी एप्पल का ब्रांडिंग. लेट्स चेक द प्राइस. सो वी हैव पेड ऑलमोस्ट 80,000, 79,900 for it, manufactured by Apple India Private Limited. So this is the first iPhone which is being manufactured in India. So being an Indian, it's a very proud moment for us, and I hope and I wish from iPhone 14 to all the models, Plus, Pro, iPhone 15, 16 and all the models, they do manufacture in India. It will be great for our country and also it will give a big boost to our economy. Abhi they unbox and let's look at our first iPhone. I am so excited. बहुत ज़्यादा. Yeah, iPhone. 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 Let's unbox it. इसके लिए ये दोनों डायरेक्शन दिए हैं. So this is a very minimal packaging, very slim box. पहले मोटा सा हुआ करता था. And why it is slim? Because they have stopped giving the charger. Headphones देना तो ये लोग पहले ही बंद कर दिए थे. चार्जर भी अभी ये लोग नहीं देते. कोई इन्वायरमेंट को बचा नहीं रहा है. Just cutting cost and taking more of our hard money ताकि इसके हम लोग accessories खरीदें. Unboxing and now after cutting the seal, we're gonna unbox it for the first time. I am so excited. Woohoo! Wow! It looks amazing. This is a black color. This is our iPhone. My God, भाई साहब, भाई इसका जो क्या मैं बताऊँ? I am speechless. So I'll just give it a minute. After that awkward pause, I'm back. Somehow I'm not able to control my emotions. Protective cover है. This is the glass back. Apple का logo. 2 cameras. कुछ सेंसर वगैरह होगा. This is a flash. यहाँ पे power on button. This is a mute button. Where is the power button? Here is the power button. नीचे USB Type C port. Oh sorry, it's a lightning port. एक तरफ mic, एक तरफ speakers. I think this mouthpiece also doubles up as a speaker. So just we are keeping it side. देखते हैं और क्या क्या है बॉक्स में. We have the charger, lightning to, yes, USB type C. This is a lightning. So yeah, this is the lightning port, not the type C. Okay, इसको रख देते हैं साइड में. और क्या है देखते हैं. डिज़ाइन बाय एप्पल इन कैलिफोर्निया. अंदर में ओ वाह, एप्पल के स्टिकर्स. यार ये लोग ने इसमें भी कॉस्ट कटिंग कर दी है. पहले 2 दे देते, अभी जस्ट दे गिव 1. कुछ ज्ञान है. ब्ला 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 ब्ला. कीप इट असाइड. आई डोंट नो इफ एनीवन रीड्स इट और नॉट. जो रीड करते हैं आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट देम वेरी मच. दे आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब, बट आई डोंट रीड इट. सिम इजेक्टर पिन लुक्स वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. अभी 80,000 लिया तो कुछ तो अच्छा देंगे. Keep it aside also. So this is everything that we get in the box. We have the iPhone, the charging cable, SIM ejector pin, and an Apple sticker. In fact, the size of the box is also very slim, as you can see. The charging cable is really very good quality. Unfortunately, we don't get that brick. So this side is the lightning port. This side is USB type C. So at least they have given a type C. So this is compatible with my other charger. At least I can use their other phone bricks to use the charger. I also have an iPad 9, so that comes with a brick charger, so I can use that also to charge the iPhone. Apple sticker, very famous, but I have never used it. The feeling of having it is much more than using it. I don't know if I will use it or not. This SIM ejector pin also does look very high quality. Steel का बना है, I think. Quality तो ज़बरदस्त है. Now we'll peel this protective cover. भाई साहब, इसका फीलिंग अल्टीमेट था. सो दिस इज द 6.1 इंच रेटिना डिस्प्ले. पीछे भी ग्लास, सामने भी ग्लास, पूरा एकदम फिंगरप्रिंट मैग्नेट है. द कलर इवन दो इट्स ब्लैक बट इट डज लुक नाइस. इट गिव्स अ नाइस शेड ऑफ ब्लू. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन पिक इट अप द कैमरा. थोड़ा मैं पास लेके आता हूँ, मे बी आप लोगों को फील होता होगा, बट इन पर्सन इट डज लुक नाइस. इट्स नॉट लाइक दोस जेट ब्लैक कलर्स दैट वी सी. In the bottom we have the speaker. This is the mic. This is where the lightning charging point goes. This is where the SIM goes. We have the volume rockers on the left side. We have the mute button, antenna bands. Top में कुछ नहीं. We have another antenna band. And on the right side we have the power button. पहले इधर हुआ करता था. In fact iPad में भी it is here. Now they have moved it here. In the front it comes with front facing camera, and I can see the sensors that is embedded here. And ये जो है, this is the mouth earpiece. Also it doubles up as a speaker. So let's power on our iPhone. We have not put the SIM here. It's booting up. First boot में थोड़ा time तो लेता है. So let's give it the time. Hello, wow. We get hello in different languages, and we got Hindi also. Namaste. So now that our iPhone is on, let's set it up. So we're gonna select English. Country, we're not in United States. मेरा देश किधर गया? Searching for my country. ये है कहाँ पे? Here it is. Just behind Iceland. Quick start guide. So लिखा है bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. I don't have another iPhone. iPad मेरा अलग है. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. Let's set up this iPhone manually. Prefer language English, keyboard English, dictation English. Okay, I'll press continue. So we have our Wi-Fi here. Just gonna enter the password. So now we have entered our password. I'm just gonna join on Wi-Fi network, and it's connected and it's getting activated. So we're gonna wait till it does it. Okay, so it's done. Again we're gonna continue. So it's asking if I want to set up my Face ID. I'll set it up later. I have to create a password. Now few settings are there. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this PC. Restore from iCloud backup, which I don't have. Restore from Mac or PC, again which I don't have. Transfer directly from iPhone. I don't have any other iPhone, so I cannot do this also. Move data from Android. I can do this because I have Android phone. Don't transfer apps and data. Okay, I don't want that. So I'm just gonna move all the data from my Android phone, and I'm gonna hit this option. So it's say it move from Android. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you can transfer your photos, messages, more to this iPhone. Download the Move to iOS app on your Android device to get started. Okay, so I do have to do this. I don't have it installed in my Android phone, so I'm just gonna do it later. So I'm gonna transfer all the data from my Android phone later. Right now I'm just gonna hit on don't transfer apps and data. Now I have to enter my Apple ID. So these are all the terms and condition. You can read it in details. Just gonna click on agree, and now it's gonna take few minutes to set up my Apple ID on this iPhone. Also, charge is good. I thought it will be less charged, but it's almost full charge, so I can use the phone for some time, then I can put it on charging. I don't have an eSIM, so iCloud keychain. I'm gonna continue. Improve Siri and dictation, not now. Display zoom, standard or zoomed. I'm gonna go ahead with standard. Emergency SOS, crack detection, coming autumn 2022 emergency SOS. So this iPhone comes with a feature called crash detection. So let's say unfortunately you have been involved in a crash, so this iPhone is gonna detect it and it's gonna send SMS and phone to your emergency contacts. Now the setup of our iPhone is complete. Unfortunately, we are yet to transfer the data from my Android device, so yeah, it's showing as failed. I'm just gonna go back, and this is the main screen. So this is the default layout of the iPhone setup mobile service. I'm gonna set up it later. So we have some preloaded apps: FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, mail, notes, reminders, clock, Apple TV, etc., etc. Weather, find my phone, all this, messages. Currently we don't have any messages, and Apple Music. So I'm gonna set it up later. So these are the current list of preloaded apps that is there. I'm gonna quickly check the camera. So I'm gonna open the camera app. Photography style: personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preferences into capture. Photographic stylus uses advanced scene understanding to apply the right amount of adjustment to different points of the photo. So I'm gonna choose a style: standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, cool. So I'm just gonna go with standard. I don't want my photos to look very artificial, so just gonna take a photo. The photo being snapped out really quick. It also has an ultra wide and zoom. I can also zoom in. So we have other options. Video, we have option for 4K HD, 4K at 60, 4K at 24, 4K at 30. So I'll go to photos. You have a portrait mode also, so different lighting style is there, different moods. So we can take a panorama. Okay, so we have a cinematic options as well. Add beautiful shallow depth of field and focus transitions to your videos automatically. Your video depth information is stored and allows you to later change the depth of the field. You also have slow motion video, time lapse, photo snaps really quickly. It does have a lot of details. A lot of details are captured, you can see. Also it looks very natural, not artificial. So we're gonna go back and exit. So this was first look of iPhone 14. Before ending the video, I'm gonna want to show you one more thing. This is a back cover that I have purchased from Amazon for the iPhone 14. This is very slippery, and if it gets out of hand, it can fall easily, and there's a possibility that the glass can break. Even though it is very sturdy, very hard to make the glass crack, but still it may happen if it falls down. This back cover is designed specially for iPhone 14, silicone material. Also it protects the sides. Also it has little bump to protect the camera lenses as well, and it has all the perfect cutouts for all the vents, so I don't have to take out this back cover if I want to charge it or if I want to adjust any of the volume controls or anything. And it also does look good. It's silicone material, it's non-slippery, the quality feels good, very good to hold. Quality is really good. So this has cost me around 280 rupees and I'm quite happy with it. In fact, I have never used any of my phones earlier without a back cover. It just adds a layer of protection. And here is how it looks when it's turned back. So it does look nice. The color is also matte black, so it does not pick up any fingerprints whatsoever. So that was it, our first look of iPhone 14. So that was a quick unboxing of the iPhone 14. So you can see it only came with a charger, some stickers and the user guide. Unfortunately, Apple has stopped shipping it with the power bricks, which is very much required. It does support fast charging. Now, being an Android user, I'll have to get used to using the iOS because I have not used it anytime soon. And what we are going to do, I'm going to use it for about a month. After that, I'm going to make a video about what is the experience of owning an iPhone and using an iPhone on a daily basis. Also, what is the experience from the perspective of an Android user, because I've been using Android phones for the last 10 years. This is the first time I'm owning an iPhone, and from now on I'll be using it as my primary device. I am sure it will be very interesting and I'm eager to check it out. Stay tuned for that video and keep watching our channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like and share the channel. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.